Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting and important topic to discuss: pseudoscience. In a world flooded with information, it's crucial to differentiate between real science and pseudoscience. So, let's dive in and explore what pseudoscience is all about and how to recognize it. For easy understanding, we have divided this video into several segments. Segment 1: Understanding pseudoscience. To begin with, let's define pseudoscience. Pseudoscience refers to ideas or claims that are presented as scientific but lack the rigor, evidence, and methodology of real science. These claims often sound convincing, but they lack the foundation of credible research. Segment 2: Red flags of pseudoscience. Now, let's talk about the red flags that can help us identify pseudoscience. Keep an eye out for these signs. Lack of peer review. Pseudoscientific claims often lack validation from the wider scientific community through peer-reviewed research. Over-reliance on anecdotes. If a claim is supported primarily by personal stories rather than systematic studies, be cautious. Use of scientific-sounding jargon. Pseudoscientific ideas often use complex language to give an appearance of legitimacy. Unfalsifiability. If a claim can't be tested or proven wrong, it's a warning sign. Science is built on the ability to test and potentially disprove hypotheses. Too good to be true. Be skeptical of claims that promise miraculous results with little to no effort. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Segment 3: Common examples of pseudoscience. Let's take a look at some common examples of pseudoscience. Homeopathy. This alternative medicine practice suggests that highly diluted substances can cure ailments. However, there's little to no scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness. Astrology. While entertaining, astrology lacks empirical evidence. The position of celestial bodies at birth is not scientifically linked to personality traits. Detox diets. Claims of detoxifying the body through specific diets lack scientific basis. Our bodies already have effective detoxification systems. Flat Earth theory. Despite overwhelming evidence, some still believe the Earth is flat. This is a classic example of pseudoscience denying established scientific facts. Segment 4: Debunking pseudoscience. Host with a critical thinking poster in the background. Now, how can we counter pseudoscience? Check the source. Investigate the source of the claim. Reputable scientific institutions and peer-reviewed journals are trustworthy sources. Seek expert opinion. Listen to experts in the relevant field. They have the knowledge to critically assess claims. Examine the evidence. Ask for evidence and demand rigorous studies. Remember, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Stay informed. Improve your scientific literacy. Understanding the scientific method and logical fallacies can help you evaluate claims effectively. Segment 5: The dangers of pseudoscience. Now that we understand what pseudoscience is and how to identify it, let's delve into the dangers it poses. Health risks. Following pseudoscientific health advice can have serious consequences. Delaying or avoiding evidence-based medical treatments can worsen conditions and even be life-threatening. Wasted resources. People often spend significant amounts of money on pseudoscientific products and services that offer false promises. This diverts resources from effective solutions. Misplaced trust. Pseudoscientific claims can erode trust in credible scientific research and experts. This can lead to skepticism even when solid evidence is presented. Spread of misinformation. Pseudoscience can spread rapidly through social media and word of mouth. False information can become widely accepted, making it harder to promote real science. Stifling progress. Resources directed towards pseudoscience could otherwise support genuine scientific research and advancements, which benefits society as a whole. Segment 6: Psychology behind pseudoscience. To truly combat pseudoscience, let's explore the psychology that makes us susceptible to it. Confirmation bias. We tend to accept information that confirms our existing beliefs. Pseudoscience can exploit this by providing a sense of validation. Desire for control. Pseudoscientific claims that offer simple explanations for complex issues can be appealing, as they provide a false sense of control over uncertainties. Emotional appeal. Pseudoscience often uses emotional language and anecdotes to engage us emotionally, making it harder to critically evaluate claims. Fear of missing out. The fear of missing out on a miracle solution can lead us to embrace pseudoscientific ideas without proper scrutiny. Segment 7: Fighting pseudoscience together. The fight against pseudoscience requires collective effort. Promote scientific literacy. Educate yourself and others about the scientific method, critical thinking, and logical fallacies. Knowledge is our greatest defense. Teach in schools, implement robust science education in schools. When people understand how science works, they're less likely to fall for pseudoscientific claims. Media responsibility. Media outlets should prioritize evidence-based reporting and avoid giving undue attention to pseudoscientific claims. Engage in discussions. Respectfully engage with those who believe in pseudoscience. Share credible sources and encourage open dialogue. Advocate for regulation. Support regulations that ensure pseudoscientific products and services don't harm the public. Remember, by fostering a culture of critical thinking and embracing evidence-based practices, we can collectively combat pseudoscience and create a more informed society. In a world where misinformation spreads easily, it's crucial to be discerning consumers of information. By recognizing the signs of pseudoscience and employing critical thinking, we can navigate through the sea of misinformation and make informed decisions. Remember, real science is our tool for understanding the world and improving our lives. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the world of pseudoscience. The line between fact and fiction can be blurry, but with the tools we've discussed, we can navigate it successfully. Let's continue to celebrate the wonders of real science and remain vigilant against the pitfalls of pseudoscience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep thinking critically. See you in the next video.